Hello everyone, my name is Chef Ravi. I'm from Sri Lanka and currently I'm working in Legoland, Dubai. Today I'm going to show you how to make Cappelletti Ricotta Spinach. For the dough, semolina flour, salt and egg. For the filling we need spinach, Parmesan cheese, nutmeg and ricotta cheese. For the pasta sauce we will use fresh sage leaves and butter. So first put the boiling water, this is spinach. After a few seconds, just direct remove for the ice cold water. You need to squeeze it because you need to remove the water. I'm going to chop the spinach. Make it very small. And now we're gonna start with the dough. For here I'm using 200 gram semolina flour and 2 eggs and pinch of salt. It's a 0-0 flour. Normally that flour is the best for this homemade egg pasta. And now you can use your hand and mix it with the egg. This pasta is one of basic Italian pasta. So if you feel it dry, don't worry, mix it well. And still if it's dry, you can add 1 tablespoon of normal water. You can feel it when you scratch it. If you feel like it's like elastic, so it means dough is ready now. Now you can see it almost ready. It's perfect pasta bowl. Cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. Okay, now let's make the filling for the pasta. 250 gram spinach, 250 gram of ricotta cheese, bit of salt, little bit of black pepper. This is nutmeg, Parmesan cheese, and grate it 2 tablespoons. Now you can mix it all together. After you mix all, you can taste. Yes, perfect. From pasta dough, take like half of it. We can use the pasta machine. If you don't have pasta machine, you can use always rolling pin. So first put little bit flour and make it thinner. Try to make it wide as much as. Cut the exact middle size like this. Now put the filling, not much. So take the one side off and make it triangle shape. Or you can do it on the table. Fold it. So now we will boil the pasta. Add some salt for the water. Meanwhile, we will make the sauce for the pasta. Add some butter. Always use lower heat. Put the sage leaves. This flavor will come out from the leaves. Let's check out the pasta. You can see now it's floating on the water. So it means almost it's ready. You can add little bit of pasta water. And you can smell the aroma of this sage and butter. Drain the water. You can add little bit of pepper, salt. Now mix it. And we're gonna add some Parmesan. Now our pasta is ready. Here it is the pasta, Cappelletti Ricotta Spinach. Buon appetito!